morning.
Yeah, around back. That's why
when you file the application,
this, post application is something you have on now. We are trying to. Hello, how are you? We are helping you to come to join that session. We are joining us as a party situation. We are trying to Arule papa. The prince of the Niger. Who does not want to fight for your person?
No, we'll do that. We'll do that tomorrow.
afternoon, thank you.
So, sir, can we get your reaction to today's proceedings and the fact that you also tried to move an application where you want the proceedings to be televised live?
Yes.
So, can you tell us more about that?
Yes, happily, the pre-hearing session has commenced in the Atiku PDP petition. All the necessary preliminary issues have been dealt with, and we also brought up the issue of the motion on notice which we filed and which we served on all the parties in the case. And that is the motion for the live televising of the proceedings in this case, because we consider these proceedings very, very critical and important to the nation, one in which every Nigerian is a stakeholder. So this motion will come up perhaps on a Thursday when this matter is adjourned to. It's been expected that the other parties will file their responses so that the court will take a decision on it. So we are coming back on Thursday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah, please.